Okay, okay. Good, good. I'm glad. Keep doing it. I've been replaying your videos too. So, I hope it will help for the, ano. Ay, wow! Naka 1,000 ka na? Mas marami ka na palang WH ni, ano, ni K1. K1 says last week nasa 800. Oo, hindi na lang ako I just don't put anything like comment para sana Lolo will not find out. Ganan. Oh, she said last week it was like 800 something. So maybe now it's gonna be 1K na rin. We'll see. Keep doing it. Don't give up. Malapit na kayo sa ano, finishing line. Yeah, I think so. She's doing pretty good too. Let's keep doing the stream. We're right here to support. Yes, sir. Keep pushing it every day. Like I'm pushing how I clean this street. Push lang. Going with the flow. Correct. Walang stress. Okay. Where's the treat? This one?
Treat there.
Okay. Mabusisi naman tong si, ano. Magsit. It's kind of like, creamy.
Yeah. Pour it on the rag and then.
Okay. I got it. And just treat them. Just for the seats only.
Yeah, only for the leather. It's supposed to help soften it, condition it.
Okay. Ay, wow. It looks nice. Lagyan natin sa leather seat. Oh. Uy. It looks shiny. Oh, sinong magpa-car wash dyan? Magpa-car cleaning. Car cleaning business na ako. Joke lang. I just barely cleaned our car and magki-cleaning business. Not gonna do it. Oh, it looks shiny already. Itong nagagawa. Very shiny na ba? Pwede na ba? Naiba. Pwede na akong mag-clean ng sasakyan.
Neba.
Okay. I think so. Pwede. Thank you. Ayan. Shiny na rin kahit papano. Wee. Okay na yan. Shiny na siya. Sa ano naman tayo? Next row. Next row ng seats. Kabsat Ilocana. Hello. How is everything going? Pamunas dyan. Ito. Ay. No, doon. Ayan. Connect po tayo kay Kabsat Ilocana. Mga friendster. Ayan, connect with Harry Potter.